Hi everyone, I'm Don Genova with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. It's just a few days before Valentine's Day, and if you want to make a special meal for your loved one on this day coming up soon, you better get to it and get a new cookbook where you can find all the recipes you need to make a special dinner. This one's called The Yellow Table. It's by Anna Watson Carl, and you just go through it and you'll find lots of different recipes that are great and quite easy to make. For example, you want to start with an appetizer, easy to make, crostini. Cut some bread, toast it up a bit, do it 3 different ways. You can make one with ricotta and a green pea and mint pesto, very delicious with the fresh ricotta. You can also use some fresh goat cheese for the second one and mix some dried figs and olives together and make a tapenade with that. Put that on top of the goat cheese, fantastic. And the third one, melt a little brie on a crostini first, then top it with a tapenade you've made this time with sun-dried tomatoes and walnuts. You don't have to do them all, but you can do 1, 2, or 3, and you can make them all ahead of time so it's easy to work with. Okay, let's say you want to have a special steak dinner. Well, there's a recipe in here for filet mignon with blue cheese on top, just crumbled on top. Hey, it doesn't have to be filet mignon, it can be quite expensive. Any good quality steak will do. How about a ribeye or a New York strip? That would be just fine. And you can make sure that you do it to the right temperature. Just go ahead and get that meat thermometer you've always wanted so you can plunge it in there and test it. The key to that steak dish is making sure you baste it in your fry pan with a rosemary flavored butter that you're going to make right in the pan. Serve it with some roast potatoes and a simple green salad, and it's a great main course. You want to take meat out of the equation? Then how about a vegetarian dish with pesto spaghetti with cherry tomatoes and haricots verts. Haricots verts, another word for green beans. This dish looks really fantastic on the plate with different colored cherry tomatoes you can get and the green beans. And the pesto, you know what? You can make it according to the recipe or just go and buy a little tub. I won't tell anybody. Now, you want something special for dessert, right? How about a flourless chocolate cake with raspberry coulis? You can use fresh or frozen raspberries for this. You can make it ahead. It turns out very impressive, and it's a really luxurious dessert. So that's all the recipes you need from the Yellow Table Cookbook by Anna Watson Carl, and you'll have a great Valentine's Day. You'll find this book and lots of other books to inspire you at Russell Books, and we'll see you next time. Hope you have a happy Valentine's Day.